The concept of legal duty forms a cornerstone of any legal system. It speaks to the obligations imposed upon individuals, shaping their actions and interactions within a society governed by law. Legal duties are not mere suggestions, they are requirements, the fulfillment of which is crucial for a functioning and just society. These duties are often the subject of debate among legal scholars, with varying interpretations and classifications proposed. This exploration delves into the meaning, types, and implications of legal duties, shedding light on their paramount importance. Defining legal duty with precision is crucial, yet it remains a point of contention among legal theorists. John Chipman Gray, a prominent American legal scholar, posits that a legal duty is that which a person must do or abstain from doing. This definition emphasizes the obligatory nature of legal duties. Hibbert, another influential figure, offers a nuanced perspective. He argues that a legal duty is an act or omission which is enforced by the state. Hibbert's definition highlights the role of the state in enforcing compliance with these obligations. While both definitions capture essential aspects of legal duties, they underscore the multifaceted nature of this concept. Legal duties are not monolithic, they can be categorized in various ways. One fundamental distinction lies between primary and secondary duties. Primary duties, as the term suggests, are fundamental obligations that exist independently of any other duty. These duties form the bedrock of legal and moral codes. Examples include the duty not to steal, the duty not to harm others physically, and the duty to honor contracts. Secondary duties, in contrast, arise as a consequence of breaching primary duties. Their purpose is to remedy or address the violation of primary obligations. The duty to compensate for damages caused by negligence, for instance, is a secondary duty arising from the breach of the primary duty to exercise reasonable care. Another crucial classification distinguishes between positive and negative duties. Negative duties, often referred to as duties of forbearance, oblige individuals to refrain from specific actions. These duties center on non-interference and respect for the rights and freedoms of others. Examples include the duty not to trespass on private property, or the duty not to publish defamatory statements. Conversely, positive duties, also known as duties of performance, mandate specific actions. These duties require individuals to actively engage in conduct that contributes to the well-being of others or upholds societal values. Examples encompass the duty to pay taxes, the duty to provide for one's children, and the duty to rescue someone in imminent danger. Section 5. The interplay of duties, practical scenarios and applications. In real-world scenarios, positive and negative duties often intertwine, creating a complex web of obligations. Consider a doctor treating a patient. The doctor has a negative duty to refrain from causing harm, reflecting the principle of non-maleficence. Simultaneously, the doctor carries a positive duty to provide competent medical care, upholding the principle of beneficence. This interplay highlights the dynamic nature of legal duties, where fulfilling one type of duty may necessitate the simultaneous fulfillment of another. Section 6. Sanctions and enforcement, maintaining the integrity of legal duties. Legal duties are not mere aspirations, they carry tangible consequences for non-compliance. Sanctions, enforced by the state, serve as a mechanism to ensure adherence to these obligations. These sanctions can range in severity from fines and imprisonment to community service and other forms of punishment. The nature and severity of the sanction depend on the gravity of the breach and the specific legal duty violated. Enforcement mechanisms vary widely, encompassing civil and criminal proceedings. Civil law focuses on resolving disputes between private parties, often involving compensation for damages. Criminal law, on the other hand, addresses offenses against the state, aiming to punish wrongdoers and deter future crimes. Section 7. Legal duties and societal harmony, upholding rights and order. The concept of legal duty is not merely a theoretical construct, it plays a vital role in maintaining social order and protecting individual rights. By defining the boundaries of acceptable behavior, legal duties provide a framework for peaceful coexistence. When individuals fulfill their obligations, society functions more smoothly, with reduced conflict and greater respect for the rule of law. Moreover, legal duties often serve as a shield for fundamental rights. The duty to refrain from discrimination, for example, safeguards the right to equality. Likewise, the duty to provide a fair trial protects the right to due process. These interconnected concepts underscore the vital link between legal duties and the preservation of a just and equitable society. Like, share, subscribe. Section 8. Conclusion. The enduring importance of legal duties. In conclusion, legal duties stand as pillars of any well-functioning legal system. They establish a framework of obligations, shaping individual behavior and fostering social harmony. Whether categorized as primary or secondary, positive or negative, these duties reflect a society's values and strive to uphold justice and order. The enforcement mechanisms, coupled with the potential for sanctions, underscore the seriousness with which these obligations are held. Ultimately, legal duties are not mere abstract concepts, they are the lifeblood of a just society, protecting individual rights and ensuring the peaceful coexistence of its members.